Good morning. Today we've got a huge day ahead of us. We have to walk from Namche all the way back to Lukla. So that's what we did in 2 days coming up, and we've got to do that in 1 day going back. Okay, but first, just got to have some breakfast. What are you?
It's wonderful meeting you. Thank you for staying with us. We hope.
Come on. You have to move.
Come on, you're blocking the way.
We need to live.
Come on.
Come on, cow.
Namaste. So beautiful. We don't want to go, but we have to go. Well, walking back down is obviously much easier, but I find myself breathing so much easier already. It's a really good feeling now.
Bye-bye.
Everest.
Oh, your earrings are shit.
You know, when I looked up and I said, oh, that's not very impressive.
Yeah.
I think that's the peak that we were looking at up from Kundi.
We're finally back at Monjo. That's the Yeti mountain home that we stayed at on our way up. But we're going to keep going to Lukla.
Good. Good. You're a mum. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where are they?
Sorry.
We stopped for lunch, and when we came out we realised that it had gotten really cold, so we had to put jackets back on again. We've still got about 2 hours to go to get back to Lukla. Can I have a little bite?
Oh my god. That's a lot.
Daddy finger, where are you? Where the lamb, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Where the lamb, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you?
Ba ba black sheep. Ba ba black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Well, the walk back to Lukla just seems to go on and on and on. And just when you think there just can't possibly be any more up, there is. But it's starting to go dark now. Pretty keen to get back there. Just having a quick break, and then we've got to keep going.
Hey, big walk.
Long walk.
We finally made it. And this is my room. Well, it's too dark to film anything else, so more tomorrow.